dogs. Their eyes a beast train. Beast train, take this country. Don't take me home again. Now I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come. And I believe